Hi, I'm Ben. I've been teaching myself stop motion animation. I've made a film based on the hummingbird hawk moth and wanted to share it with you and maybe give you some pointers about doing animations of your own. My first step was to make a very simple backdrop on my very messy desk using 2 sheets of white cardboard. Next, I made a wire framed figure for animating based on the hummingbird hawk moth out of plasticine, wire and plastic packaging. The next stage, and I think a really important animation tip, was lighting it properly. As you can see, it's gone from looking quite, I suppose, boring to having quite dramatic light. It's quite stark contrast on it. I lit the figure using a bright flashlight. My next stage was to demo a load of short animations, a bit like a sketchbook, and trying to find stuff I really liked and to, make some mistakes. A lot of my models fell apart midway through animations, and some of the stuff I made was so awful that I deleted it. Eventually, though, I started to find things that I liked, and I found one thing that I really liked. I found that the shadows of the figures, to me, looked a lot better than the figures themselves. So placing the light source to one side, I was able to just capture the shadows. This led to my final piece of animation, where I just used the shadows, and I took more time about setting it up and lighting it properly. I used a small LED light stuck to the backdrop to make his eye light up at the end. I made my hawk moth titles, basically by waggling a cut-out piece of paper in front of the camera. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my animations and find some of the methods I showed you useful. I'd recommend giving stop motion animation a try. You can do it on your phone. There's a lot of room for experimentation. Bye for now.